Hello everyone, some of you might have heard of this website that I'm showing you here. The name is FlexClip. So what this website does is that it helps you create your videos, whether it's with templates or with the footage that you already have. But besides giving you the ability to edit and create your video, Flexibles actually also have some AI tools that you can use. With these AI tools, you can create videos based on prompt and writings instead. So as you can see over here, FlexClip have some AI tools that you can use, such as AI text to video, AI video script, and AI image generator. Let's take a look at the AI text to video. So what this tool does is that it's going to generate a video based on some description that you put into the description box. While AI video script is going to create a full script with the scene on each script according to some description that you made. It's going to give you the footage explanation, even the subtitles of what will going to happen inside of each footage. Meanwhile, AI image generator is going to allow you to create some pictures that are based on the description you put into the description box. Besides the pictures, you can also choose what styles you want the pictures to be. Now that we know how the AI tools works, after knowing the theory, we are going to test the AI tools. So just like any video editing tools, you can just input your own media as the base. But today I am going to show you how we can use every tool based on nothing. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you how we can create an AI image first. And on the description box, we have this instruction on how we can describe our image to be. It says that describe the image you want to see in English phrases separated by commas. And if you're still unsure on what image you would want to generate, you can just go ahead and click the use the examples below the description box. As you can see, after I clicked it, FlexClip generate a sentence for me. It says that it's going to generate a pictures of a majestic elephant with large tusks standing in the lush green field bathed in warm sunlight. And after I have my description, I can go ahead and choose the style of the pictures I want it to be. There are many styles that you can choose from the style section, such as digital painting, double exposure, anime, steampunk. There's a lot. You can just choose whichever style you would like your pictures to be. As for today, I choose futuristic as the style of my pictures, and after I choose the style, I can just go ahead and click generate. And here's the result of my pictures. Look at that. So cute and incredible how just some words could create a whole image for you. Now, if you don't feel satisfied with the image that is already generated, you can go ahead and click regenerate, and it's going to give you some more options of the generated AI image. Now, here is the second image option that FlexClip has created for me. I am going to go ahead and choose one of them. Now, once you've chosen the picture that you like, you can go ahead and take it to a next level by adjusting the exposure, the contrast, or also the brightness of the pictures. You can do that by clicking the adjust bar on the top side of the pictures. There are also other options like transform, filter, and also animation. So after you got your generated pictures, you can go ahead and edit it even more right in FlexClip until you feel satisfied with the picture. Now that I tried creating a picture with the examples from FlexClip, I am going to try to create a picture based on my own idea. So over here, I am typing a stormy sea at nighttime, and I want this to be in the style of double exposure. So I'm going to go ahead and generate that picture. And here is the result. I actually did not expect that it's going to be a face over there. What I want is just a stormy sea without any image of living being. So I'm going to go back and try to change the style of the image that I want. I decided to go ahead and try to generate this image with another style. And here is the result after I try to change the style of my image, but with the exact same description. Obviously, this one is the one that's the closest to my imagination, and I'm happy that the picture turns out to be better than the one that I generate before. Alright, I've shown you how you can create your own AI image with FlexClip. Now I'm going to show you the next tool that you can use in FlexClip AI, which is the AI video script. Again, they're going to greet you with a description box where you can type any description you want when it comes to video. And once again, for the first video, I am just going to use the example from FlexClip. It says that this AI video script is going to generate trending Instagram new posts about releasing some coats for Christmas. And as you can see, it immediately creates a very detailed script with lots of different scenes and also the details on each scene. So each scenes have their own description, whether it's a descriptions of the theme of the scenes or even the descriptions about what is going on the scene. Like for example, the first scene is an introduction. As you can see, there's also a writings about presenter that are saying some words over there. It means that that's what's going to happen inside scene one. And so that so on goes with the other scene. Now, these tools actually are connected to the other AI tool, which is AI to video. So after you have your script, you can go ahead and use that script as the base for your video. And you can do that by clicking the generate button, and then this AI is going to automatically turn your script into videos. And here are the results of the video that were made by the script earlier. As you can see, it shows you the timestamp on the subtitle box up there. It shows like what happens in each timestamp and also what happens in each scene. Besides creating the video itself, it also incorporated the subtitles that are supposed to be inside of your video. As you can see on that blue box over there, those are the subtitles that were made on your AI script, and after you generate the video, it automatically be inputted into your video. You don't have to type it again from scratch. Everything is made done for you. So now I'm going to try to create another AI video, but this time I'm going to create it with the idea of my own. The idea that I'm putting is a red velvet cupcake baking video. And once again, the AI is going to create a script for you along with description of each scenes and also subtitles of each scenes. And as you can see over here, it has created a wonderfully detailed script. It also input a recipe for the red velvet cupcake, which is incredible. Oh, and FYI, these AI tools are free but also have limits to it. As you can see here, I have used this AI 5 times for this month and I only have 4 times left. So if any of you would like to explore more and also enjoy the full benefits of FlexClip AI, you can just go ahead by upgrading your account and subscribing to their membership. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and generate my video. And here are the result of the AI video that I generated based on my own prompt. As you can see, it has created several scenes and even some scenes have movement, which is very cool. And it also have its own subtitles to each scene. Now notice how some of the scene doesn't really goes along with the theme that I originally put. And to change that, you can just go ahead and click the reload text to media file on the right side of your pictures, and it's going to give you some alternative AI videos that you can just drag or add to your existing video. Now you can go ahead and leave the video be, or if you would like to maybe add some more title, add some more text, or just put some intro to your video, you can just go ahead and click text on the left side menu of FlexClip, and you can just go ahead and add it to your video and adjust it to how you would like it to be. FlexClip also allows you to put background music for your video, and you can do that by clicking the audio menu. They have selections of music, and you can choose the mood of your music, whether it's angry, dark, epic, happy, inspiring, love, playful, relaxing, sad, or serious. And after you choose your mood, you can go ahead and choose your genre. They have ambient, blues, bumpers, chill out, cinematic, classical, corporate, country, electronic, and also folk. So for today, I will like my background music to be chill out. Then they're going to give you a selection of chill music that you can try on. And today I'm choosing this Building on Dreams music as my background music. I really like how the music that I chose is automatically adjusted to the amount of duration my video is, because as you can see, the music that I chose have the duration of 1 minute and 34 seconds. Meanwhile, my video only have around 31 seconds. So I don't have to drag or adjust the music anymore. It's already been automatically adjusted for me. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.